We are in Leesburg. No storms, no rain, little wind.
Out with their lawn chairs right here.
And we're getting ready to walk the streets of Leesburg on our way to Panama City. We have Shannon here. Where's Shannon at? Here is Shannon. The towel lady saved the day yesterday. The terrible tower of Progressive. There they are. So let's take a walk down the streets. As we make our way down Main Street, we're going to be heading over to, like I said, Panama City. We're going to stop at Oxford Down Casinos. Main drag here in Leesburg. And we make our final walkthrough before our departure. And we're actually looking for the Red Devil down here. Time to head north. The streets of Leesburg, Main Street, USA.